Hi Ruchira, how are
Hi,
you?
hi, Karishma. I'm good. How are you?
Very well, thank you. Hi Siddhi.
Hi. I hear you're a
Hi.
kindred spirit. You also have this huge logical set
Yes, yes.
part.
When I actually joined Siddhi's class, I was like, well, I'm taking this up, but pata nahi isse kya, matlab, what will be the outcome out of it? And I happened to just tell her, that look, I don't know whether I will really get to see what, people get to see. So she said, why don't you take it up as an experiment with the angels and
Mm.
ask them to, kind of show that they are around. And it began with very strange experiences. I remember her telling me about Archangel Chamuel in the class and how her ring went missing. And I was like, really? What if something really goes missing like that? I'm like, please don't take away my gold. You know, I was like, but really, what if something went missing? So this little clip of mine. So we're just three of us who stay at home, mom, dad, and me. And given the corona time, we don't really have any help. So it's only three of us. So this little clip of mine is with me 24/7. Okay, it's like my most important accessory. And for 3 days, I could not find it. It kind of went missing, and I was like, okay, that's when it struck me. Maybe this is one of the ways that the angels are communicating with me. And in 3 days, I found this. That was like my first testimony to the fact that the angels are around me. Then another experience that I had was I have these little tea lights at home which don't burn 100%.
Hmm.
That day I burnt them, and I told the archangels that I know you're hearing me, but I want to prove to the fact that you're hearing this, that I want to prove that you exist around me. And those little tea lights, which would never burn 100%, actually burnt down 100%. One of them burned down 100%, and the second one actually burned down till about 60%. And I was like, okay, wow, this is like the first time something like this has happened. That was my second experience. I have been seeing numbers all over the place, whether that's Instagram post, 77 likes, 6,000 likes, whether those are car numbers, so many zeros, so many ones, so many twos. So, I think ever since I took up her workshop, I
Hmm.
have been getting validations in different forms. And lately, something which I've not actually told Siddhi is that now all of a sudden I see feathers around me. So that has also started, you know. So it's been like a mixed bag of experience with various things.
Karishma, the angels are trying to tell you they very much exist around you. They're very
Yes,
much there. In case
yes,
you have
yes.
any doubt, they'll anytime probably a doubt comes up, they'll send you a number, they'll send you a feather.
Absolutely, absolutely. And because of the numbers, I think they pushed me to become a little more positive in the sense, like in my thought process, because given the COVID times, you're always worried, you're always stressed about something or the other. So they say whenever you see these angel numbers, you need to catch your thought process. So what has happened by default, my thought process is shifting more towards like, okay, I don't know when am I going to see a number next, so might as just let me think positive all the time, everything will be well. So in a way, they've nudged me very beautifully to stop being so worried all the time.
Hmm.
So I think it's been a great journey. It's been an absolutely great journey with the angels, and I'm still experiencing it. So earlier, I would see a lot of butterflies around my house, which had stopped. And I think for the last 5 6 days, I've again started seeing butterflies. So slowly, slowly, I think they are telling me in every way that we are around you. Expect changes, expect positive, happy changes.
How
All,
wonderful.
yeah, so one has been this experience with the angels, and also I'd like to say, Siddhi as a facilitator is exceptionally very, very warm, very nice, very forthcoming, very patient. I think it's been great, learning from her. She's been a fantabulous teacher, a very good mentor, and I love you.
she she herself is so gentle in her approach to teaching, approach to sharing. I always admire that about Siddhi, that she has this very gentle way of
Gen-
guiding.
yeah, gentle, patient, and I think she's very warm. And I think one thing that I must say is anybody who joins her classes, eventually, uh, it's like you're taken care of. You're never alone. There will be people around you who will be around, like it's one large family. So that's a good thing working with Siddhi.
Wonderful, wonderful, Karishma. Thank you for sharing that. Karishma, tell us, are there other ways in which you've seen shifts, or the other ways in which the angels have helped you?
So like I did tell you that, when these small things happen, it kind
Hmm,
of helps you build faith, you
hmm,
know.
hmm.
They are nudging me to change my mindset because
And
I've
that's
been
one of the
seeing,
hardest things actually to do.
yeah. So I think that's large,
Yeah.
Of course, there are conspicuous benefits and inconspicuous benefits, but I believe inconspicuous benefits are larger than the conspicuous benefits, and
Yeah.
that is,
True.
and that's the way you will be able to see conspicuous benefits. So I think I've seen some inconspicuous benefits,
Hmm,
and slowly I'm sure I will be able to talk of very big successes in my environment.
hmm.
Also, a part of her course is working with candles, you know,
Yeah.
and there I have seen conspicuous benefits for people with whom I've done candle work.
Okay.
So this is for, I did this for about five people, five of my friends,
Yeah.
uh, and obviously some were in the area of finances, and most of them are the area of finances. And one of them actually told me that my brother-in-law, is always, he's always hassled, always worried. There is this property which is on rent, and he's been trying to get it released, but that is really bothering him. She didn't give me too many details about the problem.
Hmm.
She didn't give me
Hmm.
too many details about what was happening with the property. And she said he's alone and he stays in Delhi and she lives in the US.
Hmm.
And what happened was I prayed upon the candles for 3 continuous days for her brother-in-law, saying that, whatever is bothering him, whatever is hassling him, of course, I pray to the angels, please kind of help him out, release him of the stress. I hope, his negativity goes away and he just becomes happy. And I did this on Saturday, Sunday, Monday.
Hmm.
And she called me up on Wednesday and or on Thursday, and she told me, she says, Karishma, the second day that you did the candle, he called up and he said that, remember that property I told you about? I said, yeah, I vaguely remember. She says, remember we were trying to get rid of the tenant? She says, he came and he gave the house keys saying, this is it, we are done, we are going. And initially I thought it was 15 years. So she said, no, it was 50 years from the time of my father-in-law that they were living in, and they were just refusing to leave the house.
Wow, that is amazing.
Yeah,
That's
so
really, and in you did it in like 2 days of candle work. That's incredible.
yeah, so it's like I didn't do it. I think I
Well,
was trying
like you
to
managed
manage it.
to
Yeah. Uh,
help him manifest that.
yeah, and another friend of mine, she wanted to see a growth in her business upward.
Hmm.
And she told me, she says, Karishma, I am seeing a lot many more clients. Of course, she has a certain target, and I'm working with her, praying with her. But and I think that would be achieved. So out of five people, two people given me heads up in like 3 days of working with the candles.
How incredible.
So, so I think overall it's been a good experience, a very good experience. Of course, it's the connection also which matters, and it's the personal effort that you take. But I think it's a great way to start with Siddhi. Anybody who's thinking about it, I think it's a great way to start with Siddhi. You all will 100% see great benefits.
Thank you so much, Krishna. Thank you so much for sharing that. How wonderful.
Thank you, Ruchira, for bringing me on.
Thank you, Karishma.